Are you a homeowner in Waxahachie, Texas, looking for top-notch roofing services? Look no further. Our team of experienced professionals is here to offer you the best in roofing repair, restoration, and replacement. We understand the unique challenges that Texas weather can bring, and we're equipped to handle them all. Roofing repair. Our roofing repair services are second to none. We quickly identify issues and provide efficient, long-lasting solutions. From minor leaks to significant damage, we ensure your roof is in prime condition to protect your home. Roofing restoration. Is your roof showing signs of wear and tear? Our restoration services can bring it back to life. We focus on extending the life of your existing roof, saving you time and money, while ensuring top quality and functionality. Roofing replacement. When repair and restoration are no longer viable, we offer comprehensive roofing replacement services. We use the highest quality materials and state-of-the-art techniques to give your home a roof that's not only aesthetically pleasing but also long-lasting and durable. Storm roof repair and replacement. Waxahachie, we've got you covered. Texas storms can be brutal on roofs. Whether you're dealing with aftermath damages or preparing for the storm season, our experts specialize in storm-related roof repair and replacement. We provide quick, reliable service to ensure your home is safe and secure. Not sure what your roof needs? Take advantage of our free inspection service. Our experts will assess your roof and provide a detailed estimate, with no hidden costs or surprises. For a free estimate on your roof repair or roof replacement needs, give us a call at 469-890-4614 or visit our website at a1roofingtexas.com.